Hey all, good morning everyone. Guys, if you are able to see me and if you are able to hear my voice, you can type yes in the chat box of this meeting. Yeah, good morning, Sahil. Great. Okay, so yeah, so if you are interested in this webinar and all, you want to me to get started with this webinar, okay, just type BIO in the chat box. Bring it on. Just type BIO in the chat box, guys. I want active participation, guys. Whoever is in this webinar, I want everyone to type. I want everyone to type so that the webinar is going to be kind of, an interactive one. And you will get a lot of things from this webinar too with the energy that we are collectively sharing together. Great, great, great. Good to see a lot of people doing that. Great. So I'll be sharing my screen and, we'll get started with the things. Just give me a second. I'll be sharing my screen. Guys, are you able to see my screen? Type yes in the chat box if you're able to see my screen. Yes, great. So guys, first of all, I'll take you to my website. So this is my website, guys. Let it load. Since we are in the meeting, it will take some time to load and all. Okay, so I'm almost there. Let me go to one of the page. This is my home page that you are anyhow seeing. Let me see. There is one article that I have written long back, but I'll be taking the help of that particular article to drive this particular webinar. Okay, so just give me a second. Yeah, just give me a second. Okay, fine. Hope you guys are able to see my article, right? What technologies are needed to learn for a tester apart from Selenium to be more successful in the future? Okay, in the future, sorry. Okay. So this is a plan I have created long back, but I'm going to make it more interactive and I'm going to make it easy for you guys to understand, and then you'll be able to, if you are able to implement this, you will get definitely successful in your career, and if you will be able to grow your career like anything. Okay, grow in your career like anything. Okay, that's the plan. So before getting started, I want to you guys to do few things. You don't have to do anything, but I'm just would like to inform you about few things. That is, this is my home page of PFOX website, guys. Okay, I want everyone to bookmark this website because whatever the work I generally do, right? I keep working, guys. I'm a full-time content creator on software testing. Okay, so whatever the work I do, right, I keep updating on this web page. You see, a lot of contents are there, and that too for free, completely free. I'm providing this, and each and every topic here has taken me, like, for example, if you take this single topic, 150 Java programs with solutions. So there are 150 videos here. So for creating this topic, I have to research on all the Java programs that everyone is working on or are being asked in the interviews and all. And then I have to, uh, first practice, first actually, solve the problems by myself and then record the videos and then put in front of them, in front of you. So it has taken like this, at least this particular link has taken me 3 months of time. Just observe that this many things I'm providing here. Okay, this many items I'm providing here. I'm being working on this actively from last 5 years. And this website and the content on this website has been started in 2013 year. Okay, just observe that how much content you will get from this. Okay, homepage. So that's the reason, guys. If you want to really appreciate my hard work and all, I want everyone to bookmark this and share in your circuits. Okay, that's the one thing. And the next one is next thing I want to let you know, guys, is all about this Telegram group. So we have this Telegram group, guys. Okay, I'll be sharing this link in the chat. Hope you guys have joined, and then from there itself you are joining this webinar. Okay. So here in this Telegram group, I'm going to announce in the upcoming days also, I'm going to announce, a lot of webinars and a lot of interesting things, and everything will be shared in that Telegram group. So I want every one of you to be joined in that webinar. Yes, Sahil, 150 Java questions, interview questions and answers will contain beginners to advanced. Okay. Some data structures and algorithm related, interview questions and answers are also there in that. Okay. So I have pasted the Telegram group, guys. Okay. I have pasted the Telegram group in the chat box. Everyone can just check it out. Okay. So I'll also put the Telegram group in the description of this particular video. So you can later also watch. Okay. You can later also go through that. Or you can even click on this button on my home page. You see, once you join this Telegram, right, you will get updates about a lot of stuff like whatever the work I am doing on a daily basis. Okay. Some interesting facts about software testing and many other stuff, guys. I cannot explain it here, but you will get a lot of advantage in joining this Telegram group. Okay. So everyone join this Telegram group and also bookmark this qfox.com. And also, you already know that I have a YouTube channel, qfox YouTube channel. So it will take time because we are in the meeting and all. Okay, let it load and all. That's fine. So this QFox YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and follow all my courses, which are completely for free, guys. Even from homepage, you can come here, or directly you can come to this, QFox YouTube channel and get advantage of this. Fine, let it load. So let's get started with this topic for this today's webinar. That is how to plan your career. So what is the first thing? First thing is all about manual testing, guys. Okay. So if you are new to this software testing field, okay, you're new to this particular software testing field, a lot of people have observed that they directly get started with, Selenium automation and all. But that is not recommended, guys. Okay. That's not recommended. So first you have to start with the manual testing part. Okay. Software testing manual part you have to start. You have to know how to test an application without using any automation tools, etc., etc. Okay, that's what is manual testing. So let me open this link. Let's see where it does it. Okay, software testing tutorial and all it's taking. That's fine. So instead, the links are slow. That's okay. In the meeting, right? The links will be slow. Yeah, fine. So this is the channel, and here come to the playlist, and again it's loading, guys. Sorry, not this one. So this need to be updated, guys. I'll be updating this one. This article I'll be updating. Even this particular article I'll share in the description of this video after the session. Okay. So these things are taking some time. That's okay. Or we can simply go to our website, qfox.com. From there we can come. So what is the first thing that we have to do, guys? I'll give you all the links. Don't worry. Just first task is for everyone is manual testing. Okay. So we should be good at manual testing first. We should be good at manual testing. This is step one for every software tester. Okay. Without this base point, if you learn anything, that is not useful at all. Okay. If you're a fresher, and you have joined this meeting, make sure that you first go through the manual testing part. Okay. I'll just give you the complete roadmap, what to do next. Okay. We'll just start with manual testing, guys. And as part of manual testing, what I have done is I've created a course, guys, on software testing manual part, including a live project, okay, that no one will generally teach you anywhere, okay? No one will keep it open for everyone. So even if you attend any institutes for training, right, you will not get that, okay? So if you're a fresher and if you want to get started with, software testing, or you are someone you are already into software testing field and you just want to make sure you have the utmost knowledge in different areas of the software testing manual part, then also you can use this playlist. Okay, this is a complete course. Actually, I generally call that as a playlist, but it is a complete course. So in this manual testing course, what I have done is unlike other people, it's completely free, guys. Okay, first of all, it is free. This particular course, which is getting loaded here, is free. First of all, it is free, and you just have to come to this website and click on the first link. You'll get this course, guys. Okay, in your page. So it's kind of slow somehow. Okay, fine. Let it be. Once it's loaded, I'll just show you that. Okay, it's completely free, guys. First of all, it is free. And what I have done separately in this particular free course is, you know, live. I have taken everything live. Live in the case, live in the case, have taken one demo application, demo e-commerce application, and then I have I've taken from the beginning, guys. Okay, starting from understanding this application, exploring this application, I have done that live. No one will teach you, guys. Everyone will teach you the theory. Along with the theory in this course, right? In this free one, have also shared how to do the testing, how the testing is performed in real time in a step-by-step process. Like first we have to understand the application, then by exploring and all, then how to create the test plan, how to create the test cases. So I have spent like 15 days or some 20 days of time completely focusing on this application and creating the entire test case document I have provided in the videos, guys. Okay, not only test plan, how to report, how to hunt for the defects, have done it live, how to find the defects, how to report the defects. Okay, have used some bug tracking tools to report the defects and all. I showed everything live, guys. And day to day, what kind of activities as software tester we have to do. Then how to end the project, what kind of documents we have to submit. So from starting of the project to ending of the project, what generally the things should be taken care of. And on the top of that, agile concepts, what happens in agile, how the people work in agile. Okay, what kind of agile tools that we use, everything is covered in this particular playlist. Okay, you see, these are playlists I was talking about: software testing manual, live project, full. There are like 109 videos. If you go through these 109 videos, right, just take my word, like you already have one project in your hand. Okay, You already got an experience of one project, working in one project. If you're able to complete this 109 videos, okay, you'll get an experience or confidence that already you have done one project. Okay, total 109 videos are there. This is the first step, guys. Okay, this is the first step that everyone has to go through. This is the first step. Step one, manual testing. So once you complete this software testing manual live project course, okay, then what is the next one? The next one is, once you are good at manual testing and projects, you can plan for Selenium with Java. Okay. I always recommend people to start learning Selenium with Java. There may be some confusions, right? Some people want to learn Selenium with Python. Some people want to learn Selenium with, C Sharp. Some people want to learn Selenium with Ruby. Some people want to learn Selenium with Java. Some people want to learn Selenium with JavaScript and so on. But which programming language that I personally recommend for the people to get started learning with Selenium automation is, I always prefer Java, guys. Okay. I always prefer Java as a kind of programming language that you have to start learning Selenium automation with. Okay. Once manual testing is good, the next step that you have to take is you have to go for automation. In automation, you have to start with the Selenium tool, and that too with which programming language? Java as a programming language. Okay. Java as a programming language. So I'm getting some questions also. So I'm just looking at some questions and let's see. Okay. So these questions will take at the end, Ravina. Okay, you just be there till the end. Okay, till the end you be there. I'll answer all these questions. Okay, I'll take all your questions, guys. No problem. Okay, if you have anyone have any questions, you just be there till the end. Okay, it's just some kind of general questions and all. I'll tell you what to do and all. Okay, so all the solutions I'll give you guys. Don't worry. So fine. There may be some people saying that okay, Selenium automation with Java, but I'm not good with programming. Okay, I'm not good with programming. I cannot focus much on programming. That kind of problem. They cannot get started with automation because they can't get started with Java or something. Okay, they're stuck with Java. Programming itself, they cannot begin with or something. They have some kind of fear or they don't have such level of confidence in Java programs and all. Okay. So what my suggestion for those people, what is the suggestion is, here again, come to my homepage. Everything is there in my homepage, guys. I'm just, taking you. First, you complete this one, no matter what. Don't worry about automation. First, complete this course. Then second, come to this core Java. If you are, okay, if you are the one who is, you want to get first, get that fear on Java, get it out. Okay. You want to overcome that fear that you have towards the Java programming. If you are that kind of person, I recommend you guys to first go with these two playlists. First one, start with this one. After this is completed, go with this one. Once you complete these two, right, it will disappear. Your fear will definitely disappear, guys. If you reach these two milestones, you are good to go. These are full courses, guys. I'm not hiding anything. This is also a full course. I'm not hiding anything. These are also two full courses. Okay, core Java made easy full course and 150 Java programs with solutions. Total 150 Java programs are there. If you are able to solve all these things, all these 150 Java programs after learning all the concepts here, core Java concepts here, for Selenium automation, just core Java is enough, guys. You don't need advanced Java. So you guys don't have to learn any advanced Java. Just only programming portion of the Java is enough. That is explained in this. Okay. So if I click on this, it will take you to a YouTube playlist. It will take some time anyhow. Let it be. And this is 150 Java programs. Let me keep opening that links, guys. Okay. Once they load, I'll show you. Okay. So anyhow, software testing that is clear. Software testing manual part is clear. And then after that, you just, if you are not good with Java programming, first go with this core Java made easy full course. Okay. So why I'm asking you guys to go with this is I made the Java very easy and simple there. Okay. I've explained Java in such a way that no one can explain, guys, at that ease level. Okay. Step two. What is the step two? Java program, core Java. It's not Java, it's core Java. Core Java and programming. So earlier there used to be days where software tester manual separate positions used to be there, automation separate positions used to be there, but that was like maybe it's more than 10 years back. More than 10 years back, guys, that was the case where, in the industry, right, when we used to attend the interviews, right, the companies used to, post some job positions separate for manual testers and separate for automation testers. Okay, but gone are the days, guys. Okay, now it's not the case. Gone are the days where, gone are the days where the things are like that. Okay, so 1 minute, let me do one thing. I'll just stop my video here. Okay, fine. Hope you're able to see properly. Fine. Gone are the days where only manual testing is required for software testing jobs. Now every company is expecting you to be an automation engineer. Okay, test automation engineer. Test automation skills also you should have. For that, programming is necessary, right? Core Java part is necessary. People will keep asking core Java questions also in the software testing interviews. So for that to master, first you have to complete core Java, right? This core Java playlist. There are like 276 videos. Don't get afraid of 276 because the size is very less, guys. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, such kind of videos are there. Okay, short videos. Only few long videos are there. Most of the videos are short videos. But these videos are constructed in such a manner that the person who doesn't know anything about Java programming can, by the end of the playlist, will become an expert in that. Okay. So, like the way I teach is like first I'll explain ABCDs. ABCDs of Java I'll teach. After that, how to form the words. With these alphabets, how to form the words. After that, how to form the sentences like this. How to form the sentences I'll teach. Then how to write the paragraphs I'll teach. Okay, using Java programming. No book or nothing will help you out in this manner, guys. Okay, so that level I have done it. Then how to write pages, how to write chapters, how to write books. Okay, how to write book and how to write books again. Okay, so step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, and so on. That way you are going to learn core Java, guys. If you are afraid of Java also, no need to worry. Just start with this playlist, right? You will see a difference here. Okay, the way I explain the concepts, even installations, no one will explain you how to install the Java and how to configure the Java, how to download the Java. They will not do that. I have done each and every small inch also. I've taken care of. Okay, if you go in a sequential manner, if this particular videos, if you learn in sequential manner, by the end of this playlist, you will be good with Java, guys. Okay, no matter what. And after that, to build the confidence, to improve your confidence, after that, you have to complete this 150 Java programs. I gave you all the solutions. What the matter? You try it. If you're not able to get it, follow my solutions. At least by following my solutions, you'll get some confidence, guys. Okay, that's the strategy I followed. That's the strategy I followed. Okay, so these are the things, guys. So next step is Selenium Java programming. Okay, if you are not good with Java and if you cannot start automation, I recommend everyone to go with core Java and programming as your next step of learning. This is a complete plan I'm giving, roadmap. Step 1, step 2, like that. Okay. Now once you are good with core Java and programming, you will definitely get confidence, guys. Okay, believe in me. So what the problem is, people what they do is they will start Java. Okay, they will start Java. They will practice Java for just 1 week. After that, they will stop. Again, everything will be new again. They keep doing the same thing. Only 1 week they will spend. They will start it. They'll stop here. They'll start it. They'll stop here. It's not like that, guys. You have to keep hitting. Okay. No matter how many times you try to go to the next level, guys. Okay. 1 week, try 2 weeks. Take it to the 2 weeks. Again, if you got a gap, this time take it to 3 weeks. Okay. Take it to 4 weeks. Take it to 5 weeks. Like that, you have to keep doing, and try to complete Java, guys. There's no other way. There's no other silver bullet or something, guys. Okay. This is the only way. You have to keep hitting until you get, confidence in Java programming. Even I was the kind of person in the beginning of my career. I had this Java programming in my engineering days and all. But what happened was, I forgot. Okay. there were first 2 years of my career in software testing where I used to work in my company, right? I was into manual testing. My friends were going to automation, but I was not the one who is getting a chance in automation. So one day I decided, no matter what, I have to learn it. I slowly started, guys. Okay, I slowly started hitting it. I never, I have never gave up. Okay, if you give up, you will lose, guys. Okay, should not give up until you master in Java. You have to keep hitting it. That's the only strategy, guys. Okay, that is the only strategy you guys have to follow. Keep hitting it until you, okay, until you achieve whatever the confidence level that are required. There are a lot of resources online, guys. Okay, who is stopping you? First, start with my playlist. Go with 150 Java program. If they are also not enough, you have a lot of other resources. A lot of resources everywhere, guys. Okay, you can find, a lot of programs or challenges to be solved. That will not happen in a single day. It's all your passion. You have to put your complete mind and passion towards that learning. Then that will be possible. Okay, so you have to keep hitting that stone like anything until it breaks. That's the only way to learn Java programming. We can only guide you. We can only show you the way. But what I did is, instead of this big stone, I made it very small, guys, for you, because I made the explanations and all very easy. So instead of you hitting a big stone, because of my videos and all, you will be hitting a small stone so that you will be achieving your goals faster. Okay, this is what I have done in my core Java and 150 Java programs. I am making it more easy for you so that you can reach your goal very faster than this process. If you are not following me, this will take this much of time. But here, breaking this milestone will be easy, right, compared to this big one. That's what I mean to say. Okay. Once you are good with Java programming, then the next step three. Step three is Selenium automation. Step three is Selenium automation. Everyone in software testing industry, as part of growing your career, okay. First will be manual testing, then will be core Java. Third will be Selenium automation with Java programming again. I recommend Java programming because if you are the first time you are learning Selenium automation, right? With Java, you will learn complete. With other programming language, lot of support, lot of answers are not there, guys. Okay. With the Java programming, Selenium automation has all the answers. Everything you can do in Selenium automation. So first, you have to get perfect with Selenium Java with Java programming. That's what I recommend. Okay. So people say that Python has demand, C# has, everything has demand, guys, in the market. Okay. Java is having equal demand as Python. Python is having equal demand as Java. C# is also having kind of demand as Java and Python. Okay. But to get started, I recommend Java programming over Python and other. Even Python is easy, but still I recommend Java, guys. Go with the tough and later go with easy stuff. Okay. So then you will understand why Python is easy. Okay. If you don't know Java, if you don't learn Java, how can you know Python is easier than Java? Okay. So better start with Java, guys. Go with the hard way and then later you can switch to the easiest way. Okay. Selenium automation with the Java programming. For that also I have a solution, guys. The solution here is this particular course that I have created. So there are 3 courses I created in Selenium Java automation, guys. I have created 3 courses. One is crash course. If you don't have time, if you have just 30 days, in 30 days you want to learn. Along with Java, you can learn here. Okay. Only the concepts that are required for Selenium, only Java concepts that are required for Selenium will be taught here, not entire Java. Okay. So this is something where, if you have less time, along with Selenium, along with Java, if you want to learn in 30 days, this is a course for you. But if you have some time, okay, if you have some time, then like let's say 2 months of time, then you can go with this one, Selenium for Java course. You can go with this. Okay. Let's say you have even more time. You have like 3 or 4 months of time. There's no hurry worry for you. Then go with this one. This will take you to the expert level for sure. Okay. This one, short time. This one, enough content. Here also, everything is enough content only, guys. You will have confidence. By the end of this, you will get confidence in Selenium automation by doing any of the 3 courses. But if you can complete this middle course, right? Okay, Selenium Java with the live project course, which is a very big course I have created in YouTube that no one can create. This one will take you to the next level for sure. Okay, you will add up like minimum 2 years of experience after doing this. You will also get a feeling that I already have done a project in Selenium automation. That level, if you want to reach, this is the one. Okay, so these 3 are same, guys, but the timing, this one will take just 30 days. This one will take 2 months. This one will take more than 2 months. Okay. 2 months and more. Fine. I'll show you the biggest course. I'll open these links again. Everything I'll open. I'll show you. Once they load, I'll show you. Okay. So fine. That is the third step, guys. Selenium automation you have to do. Even this is loading now. Okay, fine. Once you are good with Selenium automation, what is the next step then? Everyone stops here, right? Everyone stops here. Everyone stops here. Okay. Everyone stops here. Once you are good with manual testing, once you are good with, uh, you know, 1 minute. Yeah. Once you are good with manual testing, once you are good with Java programming, once you are good with Selenium automation, then everyone stops here. That's not the thing, guys. Nowadays, API testing is also important. Okay. For software tester, they should and must know the API. Earlier, it was optional. API was optional, but now it's mandatory. API is mandatory. Okay. API is mandatory, guys. API and web service automation using REST assured framework. For automation, you have to use REST assured. Okay. So for API testing, you can start API manual with Postman and automation with REST assured framework. Okay. Automation with REST assured framework. Fine. So for that, I'll share you a few things, guys. Okay. For now, let me show you the playlist. This is what I was telling you, 70 videos, 2 months it will take, guys. And this one, crash course in 30 days, you can complete. 36 videos are there. Every day, one video. If you complete 30 days, you can complete Selenium Java automation. And this one is a very big course. 492 videos are there. When you have time, if you want to become a complete expert or master of the Selenium Java automation, this is a playlist I would like to recommend. Okay. These three are the playlists. Let me close all this stuff so that memory will be released. Fine. Anyhow, the next part is API, right? I was telling you about API. So here I created something known as API testing using Postman. That's the next step. Okay. API testing using Postman is the next step. Manual part. Automation I don't have, guys. But automation, if you still need, there is a way I will tell you. So API manual freely I'm providing, but API automation, if you say, we have this paid course, guys. Okay, we have this paid course, you can subscribe. Okay, it's an all-in-one API automation course, guys. Okay, it's an all-in-one API manual plus automation course. Okay, you can complete manual, but for me to create that API course, right, it will take some time in YouTube. So I'm not creating. For now, we only have this paid course. It's up to you whether you want to subscribe or not, or okay, it's up to you. But this one will give you the entire all-in-one knowledge of API. Okay, because these days Selenium automation is not enough, guys. Okay. So everyone is expecting everyone to learn API. Okay. API manual. For manual, I'm providing it free here. Fine. And then for automation and other manual stuff, you can go with this paid course. Okay. So fine. This is the API. There are 38 videos here that you have to complete next. So the next step is what? Step 4. What you have to do in the step 4 to grow in your career? API manual test automation. API manual plus API automation using REST assured. This is a famous tool. REST assured is a famous tool. Okay. But believe me, guys, once you are good with Selenium Java automation, these things are nothing, guys. API automation, because once you know the coding, once you know Java programming, once you know automation and all, there's nothing, guys. Okay. You can be on your own. You can simply crack all this stuff. Okay. So it will not take that much time also for whatever the time that takes for Selenium automation doesn't take that much time for learning API automation and all, because coding is already there. What will stop you? Just concepts and all, right? That you have to learn and go ahead. Okay. Step 4 is API manual and API automation. As I already shared you the resources here, this is a YouTube playlist. From here you can take it. Okay. API testing using Postman here, and that you'll get it here. And the paid course is here if you want to still learn full course. Okay. You can just go to the courses section and API automation. Okay. So even in the coming days, I'll try to create the API testing, API automation course also, but that will take some time, guys. Okay. If you don't want to wait, you just go with that paid course. Fine. Anyhow, next, what next then? What do you have to learn next? Once you are done with the API automation and all, Then you can go with other tools, guys. So what I recommend next is what is the next task that I recommend is I want everyone to go with this step 5. I'll update this article, guys. This article was written long back, okay? But I just need to update it a small bit, okay? I'll tell you what next. Step 5 is mobile mobile application automation. Mobile application automation, okay? Mobile application automation is the step 5, guys, okay? Step 5 is mobile application automation. Mobile application automation is the next step, and for which tool you have to learn? APM. Okay, APM is the tool that you have to learn. APM is the tool that you have to learn. So for mobile testing, so here fifth step is you have to learn mobile testing and its automation. For mobile testing, have the resources, guys. Okay, have the resources for mobile testing. So I'll take you to one article here for mobile testing. Everything is there with us, guys. Okay, but some few things may not be there. Mobile testing course. Just click on this link. Let's see what will come. Okay, the course is there. Mobile testing guide is there. Yeah. So this is the article, guys, that I have written. Mobile testing made easy tutorial, a complete and detailed guide. If you can go through this mobile testing made easy tutorial, a complete and detailed guide from scratch, right? All the topics are covered on mobile testing, guys. You'll get an idea what exactly mobile testing is. And also you can go through these videos if you want, like the same article in the video format. Okay, the same article, guys, in the video format. If you want to learn, you can also go with this. So mobile testing made easy. This will get you some, get you into the mobile testing. You will get understanding of what exactly is mobile testing in a manual way. But automation wise, I don't have anything, guys. You have to look for other places. Okay, maybe in the coming days I'll try to create the APM related course. But for now, in my website or in my channel, I don't have anything related to APM. Okay, that I have to work on still. Rest assured, APM I am going to work on in the coming days. Okay, so for now, you can get mobile testing related things. APM you can find it in other other people's YouTube channels and all. You can easily find it out, no problem. But I'll also try to do them in the coming days. This is the next step. As per the career plan, you have to go with this. Then step 6. What is the step 6? Step 6 is you can also automate desktop. This is very, till here if you reach, it's already good, guys. Okay, so the next one is desktop application automation. Desktop application automation. For this you need to learn UFT or test complete, whatever the tool. So UFT is the kind of tool I recommend, guys. UFT is the kind of tool I recommend. Okay, UFT is the tool I recommend for everyone. So it's kind of very easy tool. If you have learned all this stuff, right, learning UFT is nothing. Okay, so this is the next step. Even we don't have so many resources on UFT, but is there anything that I have on UFT here? 1 minute, let me see. Yeah, you see this one. There is a 60 minutes video on UFT. You can go through this if you really want, but entire course is not there with us. You can check in other places for this UFT one. Okay, fine. To get an idea, to get started, you can go with the 60 minutes. You will understand some UFT features and what UFT is all about and all. Then later, you can go with the other stuff. Okay. So desktop application automation. You should be an all-rounder, guys. You see what I'm trying to convey here is once manual testing is there, you are not stopping. You are going with core Java programming, then Selenium automation, API or API testing and API automation, mobile testing and mobile automation, using APM, then desktop application automation. You are becoming an all-rounder. Okay, whatever the task comes that you are going to do. Then step 7, sorry. Step 7. Step 7 is, where is that? This one. This is not required. This is already deprecated, protected. You can ignore. Step 7 is you have to learn the other stuff like security and performance, guys. Okay, security testing and performance testing you have to learn. Step 7 is security testing, and other one is performance testing. security and performance testing. Maybe I can make performance as another step, but some people may have to learn. Some people may start with security. Some people may start with performance. So I'm putting in the single step, security and performance. So security is something that is very good one. Very less number of people are there into this field. But if you learn security, definitely your career will change. Okay. So security, try to add up to your skill set when you grow in your career. When you are at this step 7, go with the security or performance or both also is fine. Okay. You can either be jack of all trades or you can be a specialized in security or specialized in performance. How do you want to plan your career is up to you. Okay. But these are very two good fields where you will get good salary also when compared to automation and all. Security people, security testing people and performance testing people will get good salaries and good opportunities. They can be placed easily. Okay. Job security is very high in these fields and all those stuff. So how to learn security then? It's very rare to learn security, guys. Okay. So less people will teach you security and that too in a genuine way. If you go and ask, join some institutes where security testing is being taught, maybe they are not teaching you security testing. They are teaching you some hacking. Okay. Hacking related courses. That's not what security is. So what I did is to introduce you guys to the security testing. I just did something here. Yeah, some basic course I created with some basic videos to get an idea, just to give an idea like what exactly secure testing is. Okay, let it load. Okay, so this is the playlist. There are like 51 videos, guys. There are total 51 videos. These are just basic videos. If you complete this, it's very easy to complete this 51 videos, guys. If you complete this 51 videos, you will get an idea what exactly secure testing is. Secure testing for me or not, you will understand. Okay, to get that idea itself, I created this, guys. This is not the entire course, but if you really want to learn security in a genuine way with a live project and all, then come to my website. Here is a paid course for security. Okay, so secure testing video course. So you can enroll into this course, and at the end you will be able to or I mean work on a project here. You see there is a live project. If you complete this, you will get an experience of one project in security that no one is actually sharing in the market, guys. That too for this much of list price. I'm not actually promoting my course and all in this. I'm just giving you a route, guys. Okay, this is one way I'm saying. I'm not promoting my courses in this webinar. Okay, I'm just giving you the route. In the coming days, I'll try to create a free course on security, but since I have not done so, this is the only way I can give you the solution. Okay, the coming I was able to go till basic videos, but to the advanced level videos and to complete this course, it will take time, guys. I will be planning in the coming days. Okay. But I'm just showing you some way to get started with security. This is not the end, guys. Okay. If you complete this one, then you can approach me. So I have completed the secure testing video course, paid course, and now can you guide me in the next step? Then I have a lot of contacts in the industry, guys, whom I can refer you. Okay. So where you can go to the next level in the security and become an expert in secure testing if you're really interested. Okay. So there are a lot of contacts I have. So using them, I'll guide you to grow in the secure testing career side. Then what about the performance? Then what about the performance? Performance wise, what is there in my website? I'll show you first. Second thing is the performance, right? Performance wise, what is there in my channel? I'll show you, and later I'll show you one good YouTube channel. It's not my channel, but some other person's channel, which I like a lot, which will help you a lot in becoming a performance testing expert. I'll share you that details right now. Okay. So for performance, you just come back here and here. Uh, this is the one, guys. Okay. This is the one. There's a YouTube video which will give you a smooth idea what exactly is performance testing and all. It will give you a smooth idea. This video will play, guys. I don't want to play the video. Okay. The video will play. Skip ad, I'll say. Yeah. In this just 1.5 hour, right? In this 1.5 hour, you will be able to understand what exactly is performance testing. But after understanding what is performance testing and how to do it and all, then what is the next step? The next step is I'll suggest you one channel. I need to search it, guys. Okay. Namachivayam. Okay, so performance test. His name is Naveen Kumar Namachivayam. Okay, Naveen Kumar Namachivayam. You can go to this particular playlist, guys. Of it is yeah, QA Insights is a playlist. I mean channel, and you can find a lot of videos. Okay, lot of videos courses on this Naveen Kumar Namachivayam's. You see, a lot of things are there. If you want to become master in performance testing, this is the place you have to come and learn the stuff. Okay, there are some JMeter tutorials. JMeter tutorials. You see, 22 videos and all. A lot of things are there, guys. Okay, a lot of tools, low cost related tools, a lot of good tools in performance. Everything he covered. So I recommend this YouTube channel for you to master performance testing. Okay, that is the next step. So step 7 is also done. Now what's remaining? You may ask me. There is a lot of things remaining still. Okay. Once you're good, there is no end for learning, guys. Okay. You can learn a lot of stuff like uh remaining all are miscellaneous, guys. Step 8 is all about how much you want to learn. Okay. Step 8 is all about what's left out. Step 8 is all about what's left out. Okay. This is the last step. This is the last step, guys. Step 8 is the last step where you can learn anything that is left out, like SQL. You can become a master in SQL. You can become master in database testing, game testing. Okay, many other, and you can learn Selenium with different programming languages. Selenium with instead of already Java is completed, right? Selenium with Python you can plan. Selenium with C Sharp you can plan. Selenium with C Sharp you can plan. And these days AWS has come. Okay, AWS. Okay, you can even learn DevOps also. In testing also will be useful, guys. DevOps, or you can target for SDET role by going in the direction of development, learn development, and along with testing you can also do development, right? You can also go in that direction. SDET role related stuff you can learn. Already API and everything is done. Security, performance, everything is done. So just development. If you focus more, you'll become an SDET. Okay. So technology wise, you try to improve. Like go to the advanced Java if required. Advanced Java. Okay, so there is no end for this. Okay, in software testing role, right? To grow in your career, there is no limit. CI/CD stuff, CI/CD pipelines. Anyhow, DevOps it will come. CI/CD it will come. Okay, so what else is there? These days AI tools are coming. What are the different AI things happening in software testing field? Okay, like that. Technology wise, IoT is coming. IoT, or you can learn some domain knowledges like banking, finance. Okay, domain knowledge. You can focus on domain knowledge. Domain knowledge. Okay, you can focus on domain knowledge, healthcare, finance, banking. All those domain knowledge you can increase your knowledge. There are multi-dimensional, guys. Okay, this is not the end. Okay, but these 7 steps you have to follow, guys. Okay, if you follow the 7 steps, then you can go into this pool where step 8, where you can learn a lot other stuff. You can learn web technologies in depth. Web technologies in depth. You can create your own website, web application. Like that kind of activities, you can become good in data structures and algorithms. All this stuff will help you grow in your career, guys. Okay, there's no limit to this. Okay, testing is not just about opening an application and testing it like that. Okay, this is what the testing is, guys. Okay, if you want to be good in testing, okay, this even side by side you can learn about agile. I mean, not basic level, advanced level of agile. I mean to say agile at advanced level. Okay. So this way, right? If this way of doing stuff, right, you will become an expert in software testing field, and you will grow to the good heights. Okay. You will definitely go to the good height. These are the 8 steps I wanted to give in this session, guys. So that's all from my side, guys. That's all from my side. I think I have demonstrated it well. So if you have any questions, let me know, guys. This is the right time. Guys, you can start asking the questions.
Hi, this is Gopi.
Yes, Gopi, tell me.
Uh,
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yes. Okay. Fine. Fine. So fine. To summarize, you are asking me that you are unable to get started with Java first of all because of the programming fear and all. Okay. So you got stick to manual testing, and now if you at this moment, right, still if you want to start with programming and all, whether I'll be able to get opportunities outside because the expectations outside are very big, right? Architecture level they are expecting and all, but that may not happen in all the companies. Okay, so maybe whatever the manual testing experience you have till date, that is 12 or 13 years of experience, right? That will count. Okay, you may have tested a lot of applications. On the top of that, what I suggest you is you can put only 1 or 2 years of automation experience. So then they will not be expecting you to be an architecture level, right? So, but at least for you to get started with automation is that you have to be good. You have to learn Java programming. Okay, never late. It's never late. Okay, just they are numbers. Whether you have 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, everyone is same. Even 13 years, 15 years, 20 years, still same. Okay. So if you want to learn programming, there is no time to plan. Okay. So even 13 years also can plan the programming. Okay. Even 13 years also can plan the programming. Fine. So how to plan programming, how to get confidence, how to overcome the fear is a question, right? So to overcome the fear, like what I followed, it will take time. Definitely, it will take time for you because to overcome the fear, it will take 1 month of time, and to learn the stuff again, it will take 2 months of time for you. Total 3 months. Gopi, in your case, it will take 3 months. For first month, you have to give time for overcoming the fear. So what I recommend, Gopi, is that you start with a book known as Let Us See, okay, by Yashwant Kanitkar. It's not Java, but it's C language. But what I want you to do is just to overcome the fear side, even though C is not required for you, but I'm just saying, if you can complete that book in 1 month, right, then you'll be definitely a different person. Your fear towards the programming will go off. Okay, you can write very big programs by yourself. Because I did the same thing. Like I just focused, just I think it's 10 days of time. I guess I just was with the book completely. I spent my complete 10 days of time with that book, and after and with not just theoretical but practical. Okay, on my laptop, not laptop. There was a desktop at the time. So that book, 10 days of time with the desktop application, in that 10 days itself my fear went off. Okay, but in your case you may not be getting so much of time. I don't know whether, like, because you're already working, so I'm just giving you 1 month. Maybe just take that as an activity and try to complete that book. Let Us See by Yashwant Kanitkar, and put a target for 1 month and try to complete that book. Then after 1 month your fear towards programming is will go off. Okay, that's the first step. After that you come to my Java programs and complete them. Okay, and you will be able to do that without any problem. Anyhow, if you learn Java programming, Selenium automation is nothing. Okay. With the Java, if you already know Java programming, Selenium automation is nothing. Okay. So in Selenium automation frameworks and all, you will be able to do that with programming knowledge and all, you will be able to do that. Okay. So then the next thing is like, architecture level, if they are expecting, that may not be a right job for you, right? That may not be a right thing because their requirements are architecture, but you are not an architecture level person. You are more into manual and automation. So you can communicate the same. Whatever job that suits you, have to go. Everyone doesn't expect architecture level because some people will need some people, who are good in domain knowledge, like who are good in healthcare, who are good in, the banking, finance domains and all. That also counts. Not just automation. Everything counts. Okay, Gopi? Or any questions you have?
so you want me to start by exercise?
Yes, right. Uh, no, no. Let us see. Try to do everything in let us see, including exercises. I mean, main thing is exercises. Complete the exercises, your fear will go off. If you are able to do the exercises, right, your fear will definitely you'll be able to do that. Okay, but you need to give the time for that. Okay, only the problem with the thing is that just empty your cup. First of all, I have some fear to programming. Empty that first thing. Freshly, just open that let us see book and then you start. Try to complete that let us see book in 1 month. Okay, put a target for 1 month and try to solve everything. Just only think about let us see exercise and all throughout that complete month. After 1 month, you just see you will be a different person in programming side. Then you start learning Java and other stuff, and you see it's never late. Basically, it's never late to learn any programming. Okay, at least at least don't worry about whether they will recruit you or you will become an architect or something. Doesn't matter, but at least you have to enter into programming, right? So that's what is important at this time. Later, once you get confidence, you can plan your career in different ways. Yes, right. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Okay. So the package will be different for different people. There is no, fixed package. It depends on the company. It depends on, your previous package and all those stuff. Basically, uh, if you ask me, the package will be something around, for 12 years. If you ask me about 12 years, I simply say right now 1.5 lakhs average, I feel. Okay. 1.5 lakh per month is a package. 12 years. Okay. That is average package. There can be situations where people will be earning more also, but averagely, if you ask me, that's 1.5 is the minimum you should be, having. Hmm. For interviews, what I recommend is till API you go. Okay, till API will be enough. That is a step. What is the step I told you, right? Manual. Step 2 is core Java programming and all. Programming fear and here let us see you can include. Then Selenium automation, Java programming, and fourth step. 4 steps you complete. No need to complete 8 steps. Okay, 4 steps will be enough. And then while you are attending interviews, you can go with the step 5, step 6 parallelly. Okay, don't like No need to complete everything and go. Then first complete these 4 steps and go. Okay.
Okay, fine. And for, I mean, one thing to say is for learning.
Hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Once you know core Java, right, you know everything. Okay. API, APM, everything will be easy. Just the concepts you have to understand. That's it. Only the hurdle step, as you rightly mentioned, is Java programming is only something people are unable to do, because of which they are unable to go there. Okay. So once you get out of that programming fear and go to that levels, right, then it's easy actually. Step 3 and step 4 doesn't take much time. And even step 5 also doesn't take much time. Yeah. Okay, good. Fine, fine. Any other guys want to ask questions? Yeah, Divya, tell me. Yeah, I know that it is a separate thing. So I don't have much idea about Salesforce, but the way we have to test whole Salesforce application is completely different, and the automation tools that we have to use for automating the Salesforce is also completely different. But what is the question you have? Hmm. It's very good actually. Whatever the work that you are doing, right, you will have definitely have good opportunities there. Continue with that. Try to get a lot of knowledge into that Salesforce testing thing, okay, including automation. Then definitely no. And you see, first of all, getting an opportunity to work on a Salesforce application is already good. Okay, so whatever the your company is giving the application, right, that no one will generally get the opportunity to work on such kind of Salesforce application. So be more involved in your company activities, okay? The project that you are working, okay? Try to understand the application and try to see how the Salesforce application is kind of different from the other e-commerce applications that we have in the market, like Amazon, Flipkart, you can generally access, right? Then try to compare that application with that and, try to see the differences. And you have a lot of information online on Salesforce and all. Just keep doing some R&D on that Salesforce, okay? And is there any automation tool you guys are using? Tosca. Okay, that's a tool that's very good demanded tool, right? Already that Tosca tool is a good demand. So focus on that. Okay. So by doing that itself, your career will be bright in the next years also. Maybe other people have to go to this Salesforce testing in my eighth step or something, right? They have to learn Salesforce testing in the eighth step, but you are in the first step itself. You are getting means that's already good. And along with that, try to learn other concepts and all. Don't stick to only Salesforce. Just give some every day 30 minutes at least of time consistently, okay, over a period of years, right? What will happen is you will gain a lot of knowledge in other areas of testing also, along with Salesforce. But Salesforce is already good, okay? Whatever the path you are going is already good. Just continue that. I don't think so. I don't have much information towards that Salesforce thing. But I'll find it out. I'll find it out. Okay, if there is anything, right, I'll put in the description of this video, so you can check it later. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Welcome. Welcome, Divya. Yeah. Any other question? Yeah, Bibin, tell me. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Right. You see, Bipin, you have to understand one thing, like at our workplace, we'll not get opportunity for whatever we want generally. Okay. That may not happen. That is a very ideal case. Okay. So it's like I want to only work on Selenium. That may not happen. Whatever the work comes on your plate that you have to do it. That is our first thing that we have to do at our work. Okay. On the top of that, whatever the extra time you get, you just spend that in learning the stuff. Okay. But whatever the real time experience that you are already getting with the Tosca and whatever the manual testing, that is already good. Okay, that's already good. Just continue that. Okay, don't worry about Selenium and all. Okay, so Tosca is also a good tool. Like now there is a lot of popularity for that tool and a lot of people are using that. So as a tester, we have to perform testing that you are already doing. Right, apart from testing, if you are doing something, then you have to worry. But since at your workplace you're already doing testing, focus on your work related activities. That's very much important than any other stuff. And second thing is that as I already have mentioned, just spend 30 minutes of time every day, okay, and more time on weekends to learn other things, okay, parallelly. No one is stopping you from learning, right? Because workplace we cannot decide anything, but learning wise you can continue. Okay, if you feel that Tosca is very easy, that's very good already. So Tosca is one skill set that you already have in your resume and all now, manual testing plus Tosca and all. Okay, apart from that, you keep learning other tools. What's the matter? Okay. Mm. Yes. Great. Yeah, framework videos are there in my. No, 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 no. Mm. Yeah, framework videos are already. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So there is one trick here, Bipin. What you can do is like maybe you are not working in a Selenium project, but your friends may be working, right? Your colleagues. So go and sit with the colleagues and see what framework they are using. No one actually, if I'm the person I am put on a new project, right? The framework will be new for me. Okay, even I have to learn from scratch. So since you are able to answer the questions, right? That's apart from frameworks. Only thing that is lacking in you is the framework, right? So what you have to do is the simplest way is that go and sit beside your friend who is working on a Selenium automation framework project and go and ask him to explain that particular framework to you. Okay, and after he explains at a high level, right, then try to spend some time with him and daily some 15 or 30 minutes of time and try to reverse engineer that framework whatever they are using. It will be very big, I know. Okay, but try to reverse engineer and see like what exactly how the framework has been developed, what technologies are being used in Java, which concepts are used, like that. You slowly to try to do it for a 1 month or something like that, you will be good. There's nothing that will stop you. Okay, you got an idea, right, what to do and all. That's the easiest way. Okay, since you already have the knowledge, the only thing is to crack the frameworks. One is to sit with your friend, other thing is like to get an idea before going to that friend and framework thing, right? In my YouTube playlist, you have framework related videos. Just go through them. I've showed you how to create a framework from scratch. That may not be a very big framework, but that will definitely help you in cracking bigger frameworks. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's the plan for you, Dipin. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, great. Any other questions, guys?
Arun, and the question is, what is, I mean, a tool named Catalan Studio. So
Hmm.
that tool also telling me that the Java is being language actually.
Catalan Studio, I've never worked, but I don't remember actually. I saw that tool long back, but now I don't know whether, Catalan Studio is a good tool, but it will make the testing process and everything easy, I know, but I don't remember the language. So you can find it out online. So why you are asking that question? Why about Catalan Studio especially?
The company in Chennai last year.
Hmm.
That time she went to advertise that. So that time she thought that they had asked how to work with the Catalan Studio, but before that only the Selenium and Java is being used in that tool. So I'm not sure about exactly whether that is the something.
You see, when I Google search, right, I'm getting the answer as Groovy, a language which is built on the top of Java. I'm getting the answer as Groovy when I Google it out. Okay, Groovy is the language, which is a language which is built on top of Java. Okay, so different tools will have different things. Okay, if you go with the UFT, it has a different thing. If you go with the Catalan, it has a different thing. So I don't think that is a very difficult tool to learn. Maybe Catalan.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
No problem. Any other questions, guys? So people who are typing in chat, you can speak to me. You can unmute yourself, and instead of asking in the chat box, right, you can ask me directly. Yeah, it will be recorded. The recording session will be put on YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, and mostly on Monday I'll do that. Okay, you can take it from there. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Hi, Vivek. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Got it. Hmm. Okay. Okay, no problem. Please continue. Product owner, I have one person in my friend circle who has already done that. Okay, so at the time he was having around like 5 to 6 years of experience, I believe. Okay, so then after that, he somehow got an opportunity in my company to become, to apply for BA role. Okay, so he went for some kind of certification outside for BA, and he did that certification, and then in my company approached some managers, and then with the help of that managers and all, then he applied for the role. He switched his role from manual tester to BA because he's very good at communication part. So he felt like BA is the role for him. So once he has become BA, right, for few after few years of BA, he moved on to PO. Okay, product owner he became. That's what I know. Okay, so maybe if that makes sense for you, we can plan in the same direction. He started with certification. Step one. Step two is like getting applying for BA role. Third step is moving to PO from there. Yeah, yeah. Welcome, Vivek. Any other questions, guys? Try to unmute and I even ask. Yes, Gaurav. You mean to say live training course? So actually, we are planning morning batches going ahead also. Currently, one batch is going on. Once that batch is completed, we'll start another morning batch. So the thing is like there may be a lot of people, who are afraid of programming, or they are unable to focus on learning and all. And they want to interact with me on a daily basis and ask a lot of questions. Okay. For them, that is a course. Okay. So it's a manual testing plus Selenium Java automation course. Yes, yes, we are planning that. We are planning. We are going to help you guys attend a few interviews from our side after completing that course. So once you complete that course, we'll showcase you guys to some interviews and all, and you may get some opportunities there. And we'll be there in your journey. Basically, after the course, also we'll be there with your journey, and we will try to get you placed somewhere here and there. Okay, that's the plan. It's just morning courses, guys. Only morning courses we are taking. We are not taking any evening batches because I'm the a lot of work I have to do right throughout the day. I'm not getting much time if I take multiple batches in the morning and evening. So that's the reason only morning batches are there. If anyone is interested, the Telegram link I have pasted in the chat. Right, you just join there and you'll get the details of our admin Javed, and he will help you out in how to register for such courses. Okay. It's already there in the 16 sessions are already over. I don't know whether you'll be, if you are okay, then you can join. No problem. If you already have some knowledge, because we just started Java programming, then you can join. No problem. You can join in between also. You can go to our, Telegram group and then check with Javed. He'll help you out. Okay, how to register for that. Okay, and you can check every details, whatever the questions you asked me, right? You can check with Javed. He'll explain you more on the placements and other stuff. Okay, once you convinced only, you will just join. Okay, fine. Yeah, any other question, guys? Yeah, yes. Okay. We actually canceled it because I'm not getting time. Okay, so I'm busy with my other tasks and all, so not getting time. So we are moving that to morning batch. The next morning batch we are trying to move. So if you're okay, you can, migrate to that morning batch from that. Not Monday onwards. Currently, one batch is going on. Once that batch is completed, the next batch will start. The next batch you can join. Or if you want to join instantly, also that's also not a problem. You can switch to the current batch, and the next batch also you can continue. What I mean to say is that today, anyhow, you enrolled, right? So what you can do is at the current batch, you can ask Javed to ask him to join. In between, you will join. We'll continue that, and once this is completed, again one more batch will start. You will be eligible for attending that batch also. I'm saying both the batches you can attend, no problem. Say once you enrolled, right, you can attend all the batches, no problem. Okay, so you can check with, you can talk to Javed once and inform him that Arun sir has said, like, um, we can enroll in current batch and next batches also. So then, whatever is feasible, you can attend, right? Yeah, fine. Yeah, any other questions, guys? Yeah, Satya, right? Satya, tell me. Hmm. Hmm. So gap is not a problem. Actually, you have to openly communicate with the while attending the interviews, right? You have to mention why you got a gap. Okay, because that's common nowadays. Gap is not because already you have an experience, right? That will definitely be useful. Okay, Uh, that will be definitely useful. Just restart. Just try to brush up your concepts and start attending the interviews. Okay, and I don't think that it will be a problem. Okay, gap is not a problem at all. Just as if you have worked for 4 years, you just put that 4 years and 2 years gap, and with 4 years experience, you can attend the jobs. Okay. And mention the proper reason while attending. No need to mark anything like I got a gap, okay, so and so. Because of some family issues and all, family personal things, I have took a gap. Now I want to continue. So nothing. You just have to be good with manual, Selenium, Java automation, and API testing and API automation. Then you can start attending the jobs. Okay, clear na? Fine. No, no, no. The Selenium people, if you go to the official website of Selenium, they will say that they are not promoting anything. Okay. So whatever that is there in ISTQB, you can go through. But apart from ISTQB, I don't recommend anything. In ISTQB, there are a lot of certifications. Just check the list of certifications in ISTQB. Like if you search, you will get it actually. ISTQB certifications list. And ISTQB, I only recommend, it's not compulsory to get a certification, but if you do certification in ISTQB, right, maybe in the knowledge wise also you will get improved. That's the only reason I recommend certifications. Otherwise, without certifications also it's fine. Foundation level, test analyst, test manager, test architect, agile tester, agile technical tester, accessing test process, implementing test process, test management. Those are the certifications we have, it seems. Our certifications. Core advanced, specialist, AI testing is there, agile technical tester is there. Selenium wise, there is nothing. As far as I remember, even in the official website of Selenium, they clearly mentioned that they are not into any certifications. No need to go for any certifications in Selenium. Maybe the main thing is like your experience matters. I mean, your confidence levels matters in Selenium automation. Yeah, fine. Yeah, any other questions, guys? Sahil, you want to ask? Okay, great. Okay. So, okay. So what I can see outside is like, in the earlier days itself, it used to be like up to 7 lakhs you can expect. Okay. Some 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs, I believe. Or like 4 lakhs, some cases 4 lakhs also. Minimum, if you ask me, 4 lakhs. 4 to 7. 4 to 7 is the range, and it depends on, if you are into automation, there is a possibility like 4 to 7. And the other thing is like, I recommend you, Sahil, to go with security also. Okay. Because in the beginning days, right, if you get security, right, you may get more package, 1.5x package than automation you will get. Okay. So if you want to be better place, security, security testing. And for security testing, no programming language is required basically. Okay. No programming knowledge is required, only concepts. And the people who are having less years of experience, definitely I recommend them. Like at least 3 years or 4 years of experience, right? Till then, you guys can easily start security, and you can switch your career into security easily. Once you will become, once you go into the security direction, right? From there, you will be a specialized person in security. Okay, it's very easy to switch in the beginning days, but later part for the people who has already completed, 5 years, 6 years, or 8 years, right? It will be difficult for them. Still, they can go, but it will be difficult because the expectations will be high in security also. So, but they can actually learn security even though the expectations are high. The people having more experience also still can learn security, and they can add one more skill to their basket, and we can also become a jack of all trades kind of stuff. Because when we grow in our ladder, we should be in a position to do all the stuff, not just manual automation, but security, performance, everything. We should be able to do it. Okay. Everyone has to learn security, and it's better for you to learn, I am saying. Okay. Sahil. No, 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 no. First, complete Selenium Java, and then go for API and then security. Okay. The plan is same thing. Okay, but security parallelly you learn so that it will be useful for you. By the time you complete 3 years, right, you plan it to complete all the things. Okay. Selenium Java, and because why to stick only for security, we don't know, right? Tomorrow the things may change, and you want to get into Selenium automation, you will miss it basically. So it's better to have the base ready. Manual Selenium Java, and manual Selenium Java is a base, and after that you decide API and security. Okay, it's up to you. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Yes, basics are available. If you want to go with full version, you have to go with the paid course. Okay. But to get an idea like what exactly security, how to do security testing for me, if you want to understand, go with my YouTube channel. I today in the recording, it's there now. You can watch my recording and you will get the details again. Okay. Even can go to my website qfox.com. On the homepage, there is a link for security. Okay, box there. Security box is there. In that you will find the link where you'll get the basic videos. Once you complete basic videos, if you are interested in that, then start with that paid course. After that, you can approach me where I will guide you how to go to the next levels. Even after that also. Yeah, Arpita, you can ask me the questions. Yeah, Arpita. It's not like that. You can learn everything. Okay, you can learn it. It's all depends on your experience. What is your experience level, Arpita? Cypress. Cypress is a good tool. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So your experience you mentioned as 2 years, right? Yeah. So what you can do is once you are good with this manual and automation part, and you're also parallelly learning API, you mean to say, right? So along with that, add the security also in your case. I recommend security. I mean, what I mean to say is all these are basic items. Whatever you are doing, right? Cypress, manual, that API, all basic items for me. So if you want to get specialized, if you want to move into a specialized area, then security will definitely help you out. So start applying for jobs. You will easily get jobs at this experience, right? If you enter into security and if you learn security for at least 6 months and start applying for jobs, right? Then with full focus, if you can learn security for 6 months and start applying for jobs around when you have 2 or 3 years of experience, right? Then you will get good opportunities. That I mean to say you can easily get in because there are very less people in security and very less job openings also. For example, if there is job opening, let's say 10 people, 10 position, I mean, let's say 10 people come to the interview when the company announced that we need security engineer and all. Okay, in the 10 people, almost 8 people will not have any knowledge. Only 2 people will have the knowledge, and in that 2 people, 1 people will get selected. Okay, that's what is the case now. So it's better security. If you enter fast, right, you will get opportunities more. Otherwise, you have to use it as a additional skill set that you can use at your job place, whatever that you are working. You may not be a specialized person. And there are some certifications also you can do and all in security. All this information that is there in my YouTube playlist. 51 videos are there, basic videos. Just go through them. You will get a mindset like what exactly you have to do next. Okay. Yeah, welcome, Arpita. Fine. Any other questions? Yes, I'll ask, please. Okay. The future of software testing, this question has been asked from long period of time, not just now. Even 5 years back, also same question was asked to me. So it will not change. Okay. So as per the applications are there, testing is inevitable. Okay. Testing is compulsory, right? The mode of testing is changing, but testing will not go anywhere. So what you have to do is it all depends on you. For example, you may get specialized in security. Tomorrow, IoT will come. IoT security is required. If you go to AI security is required. Okay, different technologies come. Security also is very important. Like that, security testing is growing. Okay, and coming to the manual testing is also important because it's not just about automation cannot replace the manual testers and all, right? So manual is required. Automation is required. We need to learn a lot of stuff. Okay, so the future is good still. There's no problem in that. Growth is already there. Okay, the way you go, you see, if you are stuck with only manual automation, you are still there only, right? The growth will not be there. You have to keep learning a lot of things on the go, and then you can expect a career growth. Okay, so maybe at a point of time will come where most of my friends have become SDET. They have moved from software tester to SDET. SDET means software developer engineer in test. They do both development and testing. Okay, so such kind of roles, if you go right, there is no stop, right? You can even learn DevOps also. There's nothing stopping. That's why I gave you the 8 steps. If you go with the 8 steps, then your growth will be good. If you stop somewhere, then your growth will stop. That's what I can say. Clear, Sahil? You have to grow in all the directions. Okay, don't stop anywhere. It's a continuous learning and growing journey. Actually, if you stop something in believing that this is much, then you are done. Okay. So any field, that's the same thing. Even developers are also facing the problem. What is the future of development means? Then everyone wants full stack development now. Full stack developer. They're also struggling. Okay. Even software testers also has to go through the same phase where we have to learn everything, or we have to become a specialized person in security or performance, etc. Going ahead. Otherwise, growth will stop. Future is good. Future is good, but we should not stop our learning. In the beginning, hmm, I think minimum 10. Minimum 10 you have to expect. Okay. Yeah, Arpita, you have any question? Hmm. You see, we don't, as part of testing, we don't have to learn ML and AI things. Okay. We have to learn how they are impacting us. That's enough. Okay. So we have to learn what AI has done some changes to or whatever things that we are doing. What tools have come into the market in software testing as part of AI, using which our testing is becoming easy. Okay. What tools we have to use from ML side, because of which our testing that we have to leverage or have to use to do faster testing. That's what we have to think. But we don't have to learn AI and ML. Having some basic knowledge of AI and ML is fine. On the top of that, we have to understand like what's the impact of this AI and ML on the testing, what tools have come, what the industry is going on. Okay, you have to attend some conferences, guys. Okay, so to understand all this stuff, right, you guys have to attend the conferences. Software testing conferences will be happening around the year. Try to attend such conferences, given such kind of talks given by many industry experts, and follow them. You will definitely get a lot of insights into that. Okay, so what's happening in the industry kind of stuff is something that you have to know in additional to whatever we are learning. So I recommend everyone attending the conferences where you will get all the latest information. There is one conference actually, the very good conference. I don't remember the name now, but software testing conference, just Bangalore something will be there. The name I don't remember, but let me search it out for you. Mm. Yeah, this Testflix also you can attend. Testflix also is you can attend. Okay, Testflix is one good one. Okay, Testflix, and let's see, STQB or something, some name I don't remember, STQB or something. But I'll try to find it out now. This is Selenium, but that's not okay. It's not a general one. So general conference I recommended. Testflix is one good one. Testflix is one thing, and other one is not this one. I think it happens generally in Bangalore. Mostly in Bangalore, it will happen. I don't remember the name of that conference. It's very good. Software testing conference in Bangalore. Software testing conference in Bangalore. Okay. Around the world they are giving, but in India we have to see. India. Maybe 1 minute. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Rave Test Party is by Navin Automation Labs and those people, right? Yes, yes. That is one thing. That is one thing. But another conference used to be there. Test Tribe, Testflix, all these conferences you can attend. No problem. Okay. I don't. That happens in Bangalore basically, but not recently. That used to be there in the earlier days also. Fine, no problem. You can attend any of this if they are from India. No problem. Okay. You can Google search. You can find it out. Rave Party is another one, right? Correct. 1 minute. Let me see. For now, I can say Testflix. Testflix is one thing. Testflix I can recommend. Step in. Yeah, this one. Step in. Software Testing Conference, Bengaluru. This is what I was talking about. Asia's largest conference. This is a very good one. Step in Summit. Okay. This was actually I was looking for. Testflix and Step in Summit for now. Okay, I recommend. And as other person has said, there's no limit in attending any number of conferences. You can even attend rave party and all those stuff also. Okay. Okay. Yeah, welcome. Yeah. So keep attending the conferences, guys. So it will be more useful for everyone. Okay. So that you will get a direction. Basically, you may have a lot of questions, right? So like with what is the future of software testing, everything you'll get to know there. Okay. You'll get more confidence and what direction you have to go and all you'll get it. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Hmm. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, right. Writing the programs is the main thing. Okay. Getting confidence on programming is the main thing. Okay. So concepts are not important. Concepts, understanding the concepts and then writing the code. Okay. So in that literacy book, right, a lot of examples are given, exercises are given. If you can, after completing that chapter, after understanding the concepts, if you are able to, complete that exercises that are mentioned in the book, definitely by the end of the book, your fear of programming will go off. For me, it took just 10 days because I spent morning to night in that book itself. Okay. Just 10 days complete, I was on that book. But if you are not getting that time, it may take like 30 days of time for you. Okay. It's to overcome the fear of programming by writing the programs by ourselves. Maybe I don't want to reveal all the surprises that are there in the book, but definitely it will help you out. I can say for now. Okay, just blindly believe me and just go and complete that book with exercises. Yes, yes, yes. Right, correct, correct. Definitely, definitely, definitely. So whatever the programs that are there in the chapters that you have to practice at same time. At the end, exercise will be there. Definitely, before going to the next chapter, you have to complete the exercises and then go to the next chapter. That's what you have to follow. Okay, then you'll get the yeah. If cloud in the sense we got AWS now and we have this Docker, Kubernetes and all those stuff, right? That way we have that. Yeah. Nowadays we are doing manual projects, everything we are taking care in AWS itself, right? So yes, right, definitely. Because we have this Kubernetes, Docker, and where they will run, they need some space, right? Cloud means internet. Instead of running our local machines and all, we are running on the internet. That's it. Cloud is not a big term. It just means internet. On the internet, the things are there means cloud. We are putting everything onto the internet and doing the stuff. Just a process is changing because for everything we used to get a different laptop or machine. Right now that is not required. We just subscribe to that cloud platforms and whatever we want, we will take it from the cloud and we'll do it. Okay, which operating system, which browser, which machine, everything will come from the cloud. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. In my YouTube videos course, right? That is already there. Okay. If you follow my Selenium, Java, any of the courses, right? Three courses are there, right? 30 days, 2 months, and three 2+ months courses are there, right? If you go with any of the courses, everything is covered there. The GitHub, Jenkins, everything is there. With a live project also is there. You see, initially we should have the high level knowledge. Later, one by one we have to investigate and increase our knowledge. So initially you don't need that. For attending the interviews, you don't need that. While attending the interviews, if you have a lot of time, if you don't have anything left out, then go and do a deep dive into each and everything. Okay. That I am anyhow doing in my YouTube channels. So for example, if you see my test engine, there is separate playlist on test engine that you don't have to do in the beginning. Once you complete the Selenium Java course, and everything will be covered there itself, like test engine, Cucumber, whatever that is required for Selenium Java. And after that, if you still want to you do a lot of learning in test engine part or Cucumber BDD part or something, have separate playlist for that. Just go and explore that and gain more knowledge. That you have to do only when you have ample time. Yeah, they are enough. They are enough. Cucumber BDD framework and one TestNG framework, hybrid framework is enough. Okay, TestNG hybrid framework and Cucumber BDD hybrid framework are enough. Two frameworks will be enough. Anyhow, in hybrid itself, data driven will come. That will be more than enough. And apart from that, if you have access to any other people in your company, like your colleagues or someone who are already working in the automation projects, right? Try to crack down their frameworks. Okay, sit with them and try to understand their frameworks. Okay, with the knowledge you got. That will help you out in the next level. Okay, because real-time frameworks will be definitely different. No one can, create a mock of a real-time framework, because for creating a real-time framework, for a lot of engineers will be there, and they will be building that framework for over a period of time, like 3 years or 5 years or 10 years frameworks will be there. So the more the years, the more the complex frameworks will become. So it's not easy for any trainer to mock a framework outside. Okay, but we only help you in getting in that direction. Okay. It will happen naturally. It will happen naturally. Once you are done with programming, once you learn programming, once you start writing automation scripts, the problems will come. How to identify where the problem has come is nothing but debugging, right? You will learn it naturally. Okay. If you follow my YouTube playlist and all, you'll get to know that. Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, please. Divya. Yes. Hmm. Yeah, first and foremost tool is the ChatGPT itself. Okay, so for now, ChatGPT. Now, tomorrow we don't know, like AI Gemini, and everything is coming from Google. But whatever that is in demand, either ChatGPT or AI Gemini or whatever, at the time, whatever we feel that it's giving us good results, that is the first tool that everyone has to use. Okay, for whatever the task we do, right? Start trying to use that AI tools. And apart from that AI tools, we also have some AI automation tools came into the market. Okay. So like in my YouTube channel also some videos are there. I'll show you that playlist, or I'll show you the links from where you can go there. Otherwise, so you see here, LeapWork is one such kind of AI automation tool, codeless. You don't have to write any code. Because of that, because of its AI features and all, right, the LeapWork is taking that advantage of AI in automating stuff. Okay, you don't have to write codes; it's drag and drop. Even ScriptWorks is also another kind of tools. Okay, you can go through these videos to understand. Okay, so to understand like what exactly they are. Even some extension of these sessions are here. AI smart selectors. How the advancements are happening in AI in terms of automation that you have to learn. Here, here one more AI tool, I mean, codeless tool is there, like Kanto UI Vision is there. Okay. So, which is built on the top of Selenium IDE itself, but it is a kind of different type of tool, RPA kind of tool. Just get some knowledge of RPA also in this. Okay. We don't need that, but you just have some idea. Okay. So, okay. Here one more tool is there. You see, in my homepage, if you find search for AI, right, you'll get a lot of terms. AI based UI automation using testing is another tool. Okay. Like many things are happening. Once you get started with this, you will find some other by yourself. Okay. Yeah. Welcome. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, Sridhar, tell me. Oh, non-IT. Okay. Hmm. Sure, sure. Fine. Yeah, the like you can do it, no problem. I have seen my friends doing that. Okay, already they were in different fields, some electronics fields, and they came into the IT field, and they switched and but only thing is that they have put less experience to get into the field, and then they have started their role. Okay, so yeah, for more clarity on what and all, you can reach our team. Okay, they will help you out. What possibilities are there and all. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, anyone? Anyone else have any questions? Ashwin, do you have any question? Okay, fine. Looks like we are done. So that's all for today's session, guys. Today's webinar. Thanks for attending it and making it more interacting and live. And hope I have answered almost all of your questions today. Okay. So we'll meet again next week where we'll plan another webinar. We'll keep hosting a lot of webinars in the coming days every week, and you will get a chance to talk to me. So you can just join our Telegram group where you will get updates on our upcoming webinars and all. Okay. So thank you, everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye. Thank you, Aru. Yeah. See you. Bye, guys. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your participation and making it live and more better. Okay. Bye, everyone. See you there. See you. Have a nice day. Yeah. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye.